Welcome to Kitty Corner. Today we'll be drawing a cute pig. So let's get started. So first, go ahead and grab your pencil, and we're going to draw a small oval in the top corner of the page. This is going to be for the pig's ear, and it's going to be laying on its side. Now I'm just going to go over this again just to darken the line a little bit, and once we're happy with the shape of the ear, then we'll move on to the head. Now for the head, we're going to start at the bottom of the ear here on the left hand side, and we're going to draw a curved line down. Now you can adjust this as needed. I'm going to adjust it here, just make it a little bit out more. Erase the first line. That's the beauty of sketching. Now bring that curved line down for the top of the head, curve it in, and then bring it over for the bottom of the body. Then we're going to go ahead and go back to the top of the head and draw the second ear. So we're going to curve down and out, bring it back in, and attach it to the head. Now let's go ahead and continue this line over with the body. Start drawing up for the top part of the body. Draw the curved line over and down. Bring it right back down, and we're going to connect it to the line that we drew before near the bottom of the body. Now we're going to go in, draw the first foot. We're going to just draw a curved line for that. Draw the second foot. We're going to go ahead and draw another curved line for that, just like this. Now we're going to go ahead and draw the nose. So we're going to draw a big curved line down for that. Bring it in and around, back up. Make a little curve in the middle of the nose so both of the nostrils can flare out, and curve down for the top part of the nose here, just like this. And go ahead and draw the nostrils. That's just going to be two sideways ovals. Now let's go ahead and draw the little hoofs. Just draw two little curved lines like this. Do that with the second one as well, just down here. And down. And now we'll go ahead and draw the eyes. Right below the ears, we're going to draw two small little sideways ovals. Draw a little highlight in the eye. And then do that again with the second eye, right down below, right here. Now I like the shape of the pig a lot, so we'll go ahead and ink it with a Sharpie. And when you're happy with the shape of your pig and how it turned out, go ahead and start inking as well. Now all we're doing is just following those same lines that we put down with the pencil. And I'm going to color it in the eyes as well, just leaving the highlight white. And then last, I'm just going to ink the last ear. And now go ahead and grab your eraser and start erasing the pencil lines. And there we go! We drew a cute pig. Well, I hope you enjoyed following along and that you'll join me in the next tutorial. And don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!